everyone, Nancy with our treasure home, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a mail call. Actually, it's a giveaway that I won on Vineyard Chicks Homestead. Let's see here, beginning of August, before I had to go to the hospital and all that fun stuff. So, I was surprised that I won this. I have not even opened this up yet. So we're going to open it up and see what we got. I was so excited when my name was drawn. I won the Ori or garden knife. Oh my goodness, this is such a blessing. Oh wow. I didn't know. You just never know. Alright, so there's my fingernail file to open up packages. Alright, so I'm not going to pull it out of the sheath, but I do want to show y'all this. It's really nice. Oh my goodness. And it's big. Woo, cool. Maybe I can catch some of those moles out there. They're out the front. I'm still having problems with them. I don't know what's going on. They really tore up around that tree. So I was like, well, did some research, and I know I put some vinegar out there so they don't like the smell, so maybe they'll go away. So that I can plant around that tree and the front. They didn't touch the big sunflower, but they tore up everything else. I was like, no. And, you know, Anastsia and I restarted sunflowers in the solo cups, you know, and they were nice and tall. They dug those up, too. So, those, I don't know how big they are. I don't know if it's one or if it's two, but definitely I'll have this with me. I'm going to put on a belt loop. Has a belt loop here, so you can put it on there and everything. So I was like, I don't know, I am just going to try all naturally to get rid of those things. No, I'm not going to use the knife. I just want them to go away. But I am super excited because this will help with my big planters out there and the risky barrels and all that I have. Even the small ones, but those big ones are, you know, need something really good to keep down and everything. And also, thank y'all so much. If you haven't checked them out, go over to Vineyard Chicks Homestead, along with Bushcraft Family and Jesse and Lisa from Lazy Days Ahead. I will put their links down below. And go join some fun. And join next year for Survival Seeds to be Survival Seeds 25, not 24, because 24 is this year. Oh, what a tongue-tied. Oh, tongue-tied this morning. So, thank y'all so much. I really appreciate that. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. And we'll see you next time on our treasure home.